Okay, now we've kneaded this dough for about 10 minutes. I'm going to take it out of the bowl and show it to you. Now it has a nice satiny, smooth texture. It's not sticky. It's not dry or lumpy. It's nice and soft. You see when I squeeze it, it doesn't stick. It has almost a texture of, they say like satiny, a satiny texture. Okay, we're going to set this aside to rise. We'll put a tiny bit of oil into the bowl, and we'll just put the dough in there and roll it around just to coat, just a light coating on the dough, not a lot. Then we'll take a piece of plastic wrap and cover that up because we want to keep the dough moist and warm. And I'm going to put a towel over that, and we'll set that in a nice warm spot to rise. And when it looks like it's about double, in about an hour, then we'll be shaping it and putting it into loaf pans.